Okay, so now we have to start. Shishir, start the recording.
Yes, ma'am.
Shishir, I think the recording has already started.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, कभी start किया शीशु तुमने?
मैम जस्ट आप आपने जब बोला था.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, okay. So it is started. Yes, Praksha, you can start.
Kaustubh, please change to the next slide. Nobody is bothered about an institution more than its alumni, said truly by N.R. Narayanamurthy. A warm good afternoon to everyone. I, Praksha Das, with great honor and pleasure, welcome you all to the alumni meet for the batches 2014 to 2020. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. Farooq Sayyed Sir, Principal of Dr. D.Y. Patil School of Engineering, Dr. Pankaj Agarkar Sir, HOD of Computer Engineering, and staff members of Department of Computer Engineering, and also my dear friends who are there to cheer us throughout the event. Finally, a heartfelt welcome to the alumni from the batches 2014 to 2020. Thank you for joining this event. Your presence matters. So, let's start the event with a fun yet brainstorming quiz competition. We have a total of 9 participants for the quiz, and the 3 winners of the quiz competition will be awarded with cash prizes and Amazon gift vouchers. But why should only participants have all the fun and win the prizes? Yes, keeping this in mind, we have also prepared a quiz for the audience in the form of a Google form, which will be shared at the end. The winner will be awarded with Amazon gift vouchers. Before starting the quiz, I would like to introduce the participants of Group 1. Our first participant is Mr. Surya Kant of batch 2016. He is the Assistant Vice President at Barclays, Pune. Welcome, Surya Kant, sir.
Thank you.
Our next participant is Mr. Ajinkya Das of batch 2018. He is currently working as a developer success engineer at Salesforce, Hyderabad. Our next participant is Mr. Ankit Gupta of batch 2018. He is currently working as a software engineer at Salesforce, Mumbai. Welcome, Ankit, sir. Our next participant is Mr. Ramendra Raj Singh of batch 2020. He is currently working as an assistant system engineer at Tata Consultancy Services, Bangalore. Welcome, Ramendra, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, now let's start the quiz. Here are the rules for the quiz competition. Total number of participants will be divided into 2 groups equally. Total number of questions to each group equal to number of participants plus 2. As you are the number of participants for the group 1 is 4, the questions will be fired to them as 6. Maximum time to answer the question is 1 minute. All questions fired to a group will be open to all participants, and answer will be considered in fastest first manner. To answer, the participant has to raise his or her hand. The timer will be stopped by the anchor, that is me, Praksha. Then only the participant can answer. For every correct answer, 10 points will be awarded. And for every wrong answer, 5 marks will be deducted from the score. And answering without raising their hands, also 5 marks will be deducted from the score. Only one answer will be considered for a question. If the said answer is correct, fine. Otherwise, the anchor will say the correct answer and the quiz will proceed to the next question. Top participants from round 1 of each group will go to the next round. If multiple participants have same score, tie-breaking questions will be fired to them. Round 2 will be executed as per the same rules. Top 3 will be the winners. Please lower your hands after each question. Please note that negative marking and hand raise options are kept to maintain the quality and control. Now, let's start the quiz. We wish you all the best. Let's go to the first question. And your time starts now. odd one out? A in first row, B second row, C in third row, D in fourth row. Stop the timer. Yes, I can see Ankit sir has raised his hand. Sir, could you answer please?
D, fourth row.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Sorry, Ankit sir, you are wrong. The correct answer is C in third row. 5 marks will be deducted from your score. Can we move to the next question? Yes, before that, please lower your hands. Yeah, let's have the question. And your time starts now. Identify the Bollywood movie based on this personality. A. Toilet. B. Padman. C. Gold. D. Big Bull. Stop the timer. We can see Ankit Gupta sir has raised his hand. Sir, answer please.
Padman.
Let's see the correct answer. Yes, you're absolutely correct, sir. The correct answer is B. Padman. 10 points awarded to you. Let's go to the next question. Please lower your hands. The next question is, how many matchsticks are there in the picture? A. 10, B. 8, C. 7, D. 9. Stop. First, stop the timer. Yeah, we can see Suryakant sir has raised his hand first. Answer please, sir.
8, 10.
Can we see the correct answer, please? Sorry, sir, you are wrong. Answer B, option B, answer 8 is the correct answer. 5 marks will be deducted to you.
Okay.
Can we go to the next question, please? And please lower your hands. Let's see the next question. The time starts now. Recognize the song in the picture. मेरे सामने वाले खिड़की में. B, एक अजनबी हसीना से. C, एक चतुर नार. D, तू मेरे दिल के चैन. To stop the timer. We can see Ramendra sir has raised his hands. Sir, answer please.
C. एक चतुरनाथ.
Mr. Computer, can you see the answer please? Yes, sir, you are absolutely correct. 10 points awarded to you. Can we go to the next question? Please lower your hands. Yeah, the next question is, your time starts now. In the above picture, find the odd one out. A, 1, B, 2, C, 3, D, 4. Yes, stop the timer. Ajinkya Das sir has raised his hands first. So, answer please, sir.
Is it A?
Okay, let's check the correct answer. No, A is not the correct answer. Sorry, sir. C is the correct answer. 5 marks will be deducted from the score. Can we go to the next slide, please?
explain the reason.
Okay, yeah, wait, please, Kaustav. Yes, you can see that in the four diagrams, in the 1, 2, and 4th diagram, all the matchsticks are closed figures, are making closed figures, two rectangles that is. But in 3, the one matchstick is not making a closed figure. Did you get that?
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Thank you, sir. Can we go to the next slide, please?
What is this question number?
And 60.
Okay, this is the
Yeah.
last question, right?
Yes, this one is the last question for group 1, round 1. Let's see the question. And time starts now. Guess the movie. A. Migrate sets a trap. B. Johnny English. C. Love Actually. D. Johnny English Reborn. Stop the timer. Yes, we can see Ramendra sir has raised his hands first. Sir, could you answer, please?
D. Johnny English Reborn.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, sir, you're absolutely correct. D. Johnny English Reborn is the correct answer. 10 points awarded to you. Now, as this was the last question, we'll go to the scoreboard and check that. For that, I have to hand over this to Ms. Pooja Kamble. Over to you, Pooja.
Thank you so much, Raksha. So the final score for the group 1, round 1 are as follows. Rabindra sir, total score is 20. Suryakant sir, the total score is -5. Ankit sir, the total score is 5. And Ankit Das sir, the total score is -5. Thank you, Raksha.
Thank you, Pooja. As we can clearly see, top two participants are Ramendra sir and Ankit Gupta sir. So they both are qualified for the second round. Congratulations, sir. You played exceptionally well.
Thank you.
Congratulations, all the participants. Well done by all the participants. Welcome the winners to the second round.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah. Now we'll go to the group 2 for round 1. Ma'am, can you confirm the participants, please?
Yes, we have Akash Agrawal, then Manvendra, and only two participants we have. Others have not reported yet. Can we have Dipti? Dipti is there. Dipti Tamne. Ankit. No, remove Ankit Gupta from round 1 team. Ankit Gupta is has already answered.
Yes, yes.
Uh, so Akash Agrawal and Manvendra and Harshal and other participants, they have not reported yet. So we will have to continue the first round for group 2 with two participants only. So we'll ask only 4 questions.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So we'll have only Akash and
Manvendra, sir.
Manvendra in the second group for round 1.
Okay, ma'am. Let's start the quiz. Before starting the quiz, I would like to introduce the first participant of group 2 for round 1. Mr. Akash Agarwal of batch 2020. He is currently working as an associate software engineer at Zorient Solutions. Welcome, Akash, sir. And the last participant is Mr. Manvendra Kumar Singh of batch 2020. He is currently working as an ASE at IBM. Welcome, Manvendra, sir. Let's go to the slides for group 2. Let's see the first question for them. Please lower your hands. You have raised. Okay, let's see the question. And your time starts now. Please listen this audio carefully. The audio will be played only once.
The Anglo-American forces have scored a success. and the fighting in North Africa has come to an end. The Anglo-Americans have followed this up by occupying a few small barren islands in the Mediterranean. As is customary with Anglo-American propagandists.
So your time starts now. Who is the famous Indian leader in the given audio? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, stop the timer. Akash sir has raised his hands. Answer please, sir.
A.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, Akash sir, you're absolutely correct. 10 points will be awarded to you.
Ma'am, Dipti ma'am has just joined the lecture.
Waiting.
But she has missed the first question. Okay, what to do now? Okay, let's
We
take
can
her
skip.
in.
We can skip this question and we can start again.
No, no, no. Already one participant has scored points, so we cannot skip it.
Ma'am, I would
Okay.
like to be audience.
Okay, it's okay then. Okay, okay, Dipti ma'am.
Let's go to the next slide. Please lower your hands. Let's see the question. Your time starts now. Guess this logo. A. Siri. B. Cortana. C. Alexa. D. Safari. Stop the timer. Manvendra Singh sir has raised his hands. Sir, could you answer please?
C. Alexa.
Okay, let's check the correct answer. Yes, sir, you are correct. C. Alexa is the correct answer. 10 points awarded to you. Let's go to the next slide. Lower your hands, please. The next question is, and your time starts now. What is the value of question mark? A. 15. B. 5. C. 50. D. 39. Sorry, the time has already ended. So let's see the correct answer for this question. The answer is B. 5.
May I know the logic, please?
Yeah.
Please explain.
Yeah. If we sum up the numbers at the borders of the hexagon, it will come up equal to the inner corner of the rectangle and the outer corner of the rectangle's product. As you can see in the first hexagon, 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 6 equals to 30. And if you multiply 6 and 5, it will equal to 30. Now, did you get that?
Yeah.
Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir. Let's move to the next question. Please lower your hands. And the next question is, your time starts now. Identify the correct logo of our college. Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay, stop. Manvendra Singh sir has raised his hands. So could you answer, please?
C.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, sir, you are correct. C is the correct answer. You
Ma'am,
definitely
we,
haven't forgotten our logo of the college. Yeah,
we
sorry,
must
sir.
have come to college
Not at all.
blessed, but we know the logo.
That is why I was surprised that Manvendra has answered it. I never expected Manvendra to answer this question.
Ma'am,
Okay.
95% attendance.
God. Okay.
Okay, let's move to the next question. And this will be the last question for this round of group 2. Please lower your hands. The next question is on your screen. And your time starts now. How much money does Kabira ask in exchange for Devi Prasad's granddaughter the first time? A. 50 lakhs. B. 25 lakhs. C. 10 lakhs. D. 20 lakhs. Yes, stop the timer. Manvendra Singh sir has raised his hands first. Sir, could you answer, please?
20 lakhs.
Manvendra Singh sir has answered. Is it Manvendra
Let-
Singh?
Yes, he has answered 20 lakhs, right?
Okay. Yeah. Can you see the answer, please?
Array.
Sorry, sir, you are wrong. 5 marks will be deducted from your score. So this was the last question. Now we have to calculate your scores. So please wait patiently and we'll announce the winners in shortly.
Please share the scoreboard, team.
Yes, ma'am. Pooja, are you ready with the scores?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Pooja, you
Over
can
to you,
update
Pooja.
there. I have already shared it.
Okay. So the final scores for Group 2 Round 1 are as follows. Akash Agarwal sir, total score is 10 points. And Manvendra Kumar Singh sir, the total score is 15 points. Thank you.
Thank
So
you,
we
Pooja.
can have only one winner from this group to the next round. So Manvendra is going to the next round.
Congratulations, Manvendra Singh sir. You're qualified for
Thank
the
you.
next round.
Well done, Akash sir.
Now
Thanks.
let's go to the questions.
Now the final round will start. Please share the
First,
PPT.
I have one request. I would request, please, ma'am, all the teachers don't call us sir. We are still your
Oh.
students.
Yes.
It is.
Okay. That is now in our mind. Now you are professionals now. So we should call you sir.
No, ma'am, it is not that. But please, it's not sounding good. You're calling us sir. That is.
ना in front of the students बस anyway हमको तुम लोगों को डांटने का आज भी हक है हमें पता है तो ये क्विज खत्म होने दो फिर डांटने का काम चालू होगा
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, but in office also everybody call with first name only.
yes that's the tradition yes right can we have the PPT shared here
yeah, please lower your hands. And yeah, let's go to the next question.
wait who is there in the final round that you please
Yeah, before
declare
that, yeah, okay, sure, ma'am. In the final round, we have Ramendra Raj Singh sir, Ankit Gupta sir, and Manvendra Kumar Singh sir. All the best. May the best wins.
How many questions will be having?
5.
5 questions.
Okay.
Let's see the question. And your time starts now. Find the odd one out. A. China. B. France. C. Russia. D. United Kingdom. E. United States. F. India. Okay, stop the timer. Manvendra Kumar Singh sir has raised his hands first. Could you answer, please, sir?
E. United States.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Sorry, sir. You were wrong. F. India is the correct answer.
And what is the logic behind it?
Logic.
Explain the reason.
Yeah, these all states are the permanent Security Council member of VNO, but India isn't. Is it okay, sir?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Please move to the next slide. Please lower your hands. Let's go to the next question. The next question is on your screen. The time starts now. What is the value of question mark? A 8, B 9, C 7, D 6. Okay, stop the timer. We can see Manvendra Sir Singh has raised his hands first. Sir, could you answer, please?
A8.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, Manvendra Sir, you are right. 8 is the correct answer. 10 points awarded to you. Let's go to the next slide, please. Please show your hands if you're already raised. Let's see the next question. And your time starts now. Who made the ultimate sacrifice so the team could retrieve the Soul Stone? A. Gamora. B. Thanos. C. Black Widow. D. Hawkeye. Okay, stop the timer. We can see Ramendra Singh sir has raised his hands. Could you please answer, sir?
Black Widow. C.
Okay, let's see the correct answer. Yes, sir. It seems you're a Marvel fan. Congratulations. 10 points awarded to you. Let's go to the next question. Before that, please lower your hands. The next question is, and your time starts now. Which bowler picked up the first wicket in ICC World Test Championship? A. Jasprit Bumrah. B. Stuart Broad. C. Tom Horan. D. James Anderson. Okay, stop the time. Don't stop. I think Ankit sir has raised hands by mistake. Okay, we can see Manvendra Singh sir has raised his hands again first. Sir, what is the correct answer?
C. Tom Horan.
Okay, can we see the correct answer, please? Sorry, sir, you were wrong. B. Stuart Broad is the correct answer. 5 marks will be deducted from your score. Let's go to the next question. Please lower your hands. And I think this is the last question. Yes, ma'am?
Yes, last
Yeah,
question.
it is the last question. After that, we'll declare our final winners. Manvendra sir, please lower your hand. Yeah, thank you, sir. Can we have the next question, please? And the time starts now. What can you hold in your left hand but not in your right? A, your right hand's thumb. B, your right hand's elbow. C, your right hand's shoulder. D, your left hand's thumb. Okay, stop the timer. Ankit sir has raised his hands. Answer please, sir.
Your right hand elbow.
Okay, let's check the correct answer. Yes, sir, you are absolutely correct. B, your right hand's elbow is the correct answer. Now, we'll wait for the scoreboard. And today's quiz has come to an end. Pooja, are you
Yes,
ready?
please show the scoreboard.
I think it is a tiebreaker.
Yes, ma'am. It's a
Wait.
tiebreaker.
Okay, please
Let's see
show
the
the scoreboard first
Yeah.
of all.
Yes, ma'am. So the final results for round. Kaustubh, can you scroll down? Okay, so the final scores for the round 2 final round are as follows. Manvendra Singh sir, total score is 0. Ankit sir, the total score is 10 points. And Ramendra Singh sir, the total score is 10 points. So we're going to have a tiebreaker between Ankit Gupta sir and Ramendra Singh sir. Over to you, Praksha.
Yeah. Thank you, Pooja. As there is a tie between Ankit Gupta sir and Ramendra Singh sir, we'll have to play a tiebreaker question. Let's go to the questions. Yeah. The next question is on your screen. Now time starts now. Recognize this famous gangster from a popular sitcom. A. Michael Scott. B. Prison Mike. C. Todd Abraham. D. Dwight Schrute. Okay, stop the timer. We can see Ramendra Singh sir has raised his hands. Sir, answer please.
B, Prison Mike.
Okay, can we check the correct answer please? Yes, Ramendra sir. Prison Mike is absolutely correct. So let's check the scoreboard now.
So the final score for the tiebreaker round are as follows. Ankit sir, total score is 20 points, and Ramendra Singh sir, total score is 10 points. So we have a winner out here, Ankit sir.
Pooja, I think there's a mistake.
No.
No. That's correct.
Okay, then. Okay.
Ramendra has scored 20 and Ankit has scored 10.
Yeah.
The tiebreaker is answered by Ramendra correctly.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
yes, so
we clearly have our winners.
We have the winners now. Out of 3 participants in the final round, we have got 2 winners. The first winner is Ramendra and second winner is Ankit Gupta. Congratulations to both the winners.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank
So-
you guys for this presentation and for the quiz.
Thank you, sir. A big
So-
congratulations to all the winners. You have played really well. Our team will contact you soon after, for your choice of prizes. Thank you all for your participation.
Thank you.
Now I welcome our alumni coordinator, Mrs. Monica Dongre, ma'am, who will be addressing the queries of the alumni. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all of you, dear alumni. I'm very glad to see the students, old students from all our passed out batches right here together. I'm very happy to see that. I had shared a Google form for registering for this quiz competition, and the alumni have given their valuable suggestions to improve the alumni association. So I'll be addressing the common points, the frequently asked questions by the alumni. I need to address them. The most repeated question was to have a portal for alumni on the website. So guys, I want to tell you that that portal making is already in process. There will be a portal for the alumni on the website where the alumni can exchange their information, they can see their information, they can post their job related queries, etc. So under the guidance of our dynamic new principal, Dr. Farooq Syed sir, that work has started. So the portal will be on the website soon. That was the common query raised by most of the alumni. The second query was the second suggestion was to hold a alumni meet after the pandemic, a physical meet. So everybody is waiting for that. Everybody is waiting for events to occur like normally we conduct. So alumni meet will be conducted every year, and in normal situations, it will be conducted physically at college. I know that the past two batches have not got their farewell due to the pandemic situation, and the students keep asking me, "कि ma'am farewell कब मिलेगा, farewell कब मिलेगा?" So I literally told this point to our principal sir, "कि sir last two batches are raising their concern about their farewell." The principal sir told me that if fortunately if the pandemic if we get a normal situation, we'll be conducting eternity soon in February March hopefully, and in that event we'll have a separate day for these two batches to have a get together. So this is said by our respected principal sir. So hopefully we'll have a physical meet, a good get together during eternity for the batches who miss their farewell, and also we'll have the alumni meet in college. Then the third point was some students say that we want to visit the college. Of course, guys, you all are welcome. You all are welcome with your families, with your spouses and kids. You all are welcome. We'll be very happy to meet you with your families. So you all are invited to the college physically. You can meet us anytime. That was the queries raised by the alumni. Now I would like Pooja Kamble, a representative from our juniors, to ask their queries to our seniors. Pooja, you guys
Yes,
have
ma'am.
so many questions in mind and you want to take some guidance from your seniors. So
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
ask your queries?
Yes, ma'am. I had a question for Suryakant sir. Good afternoon, Suryakant sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I would like you to share your experience on your first ever interview and what tips would you like to suggest for us to prepare for our own interview?
Okay, so basically I started my IT careers long back in 2007. Okay, with my graduation, and from same college, like from DY Patil College, I have completed my master degree in 2014 to 16. So I do okay, I do remember I had my first interview with Emphasis in 2007 when I had been asked the questions about the basics basically operating system, Unix, and some database related. And to be very frank, it's like the interview was not good. Okay, the questions asked like a basic questions, and I was not well prepared for that one, because I was thinking like there will be some high level questions, and I'll easily answer those questions. But all are basic questions. So I do remember some of the questions. What is a theta join? That is one of the questions I have been asked during my first interview. Theta join.
Okay,
And I was like confused, miss what to answer. Because I do remember like the book I have referred like a fourth, and that is from database engineering by Koth. Okay, so
Awesome.
yeah. So basically, when you're preparing for the any interview, I am with IT industry for almost like a 14 years, and I work with a number of different industries like Mphasis, then HP, TCS, and now with Barclays. I am having like a offshore as well as onshore experience, like a mixed experience. Like I have traveled almost 5 countries, and I have been involved with conducting many interviews for the new resources. And basic requirement is to be very frank, you should have your fundamentals clear. So what are fundamentals? Like as a fresher, when you are passing out from your college, so expectations are very clear. Your fundamentals should be clear. Fundamentals means like operating system, then database, C++. These are the basic fundamental subject they will be asking the interview questions. This is the first thing about the technical. And apart from that, the most of the times it's like an interview checking your confidence. Okay, how you are answering the questions. Yeah, so confidence is the one of the most important thing. And the third one is your interpersonal skills. Okay, interpersonal skills are also very important. Okay, so basically
Yes, sir.
these are the key points required for facing any kind of interview.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your first experience and giving us some tips on how to go about an interview. Thank you so much, sir. I would like
Thanks.
Shishir to ask next question. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Just a minute. We have teachers in the participant list. I request our team to make them present us. They also want to talk to our alumni. We have in the audience list Jayashree ma'am. Then
Ma'am, I already done.
okay, already done. Okay, so Jayashree ma'am is there. Then we have Pallavi ma'am. Then Agarkar sir is also there. Yes, Agarkar sir, and yes, these teachers now, respected teachers, you can start your camera and you can now talk with our alumni after this interaction. Yes, please continue, guys.
Shishir?
Shishir, you're not audible.
Sure, your
Shishir, your mic's
mic
off.
is good.
Good evening, Ankit Gupta, sir. Are you there?
Yes, I am there.
Yes, sir. Sir, as we learn many things during our entire 4 years of engineering, but only only few people know where to apply. Sir, could you guide us to how we should apply the knowledge that we have all learned during these 4 years?
So first of all, like you have to like focus on one skills. मतलब बहुत सारे skills पे हम ज़्यादा मत focus करो. Like जैसे अगर आपको जावा में जाना है या सेल्सफोर्स में आना है या कोई .NET वगैरह में आना है, तो पर्टिकुलर एक स्किल पे फोकस करो. और जो भी कौन से भी कंपनी में ओपनिंग रहता है तो वहाँ अप्लाई करते रहो. उसका जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन देखो, लाइक जो भी है, तो उस हिसाब से लाइक रिज्यूम प्रिपेयर करो. तो उसमें शॉर्टलिस्ट के चांस भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा होंगे. तो उस हिसाब से प्रिपेयर और एक ही जगह फोकस करो. लाइक बहुत सारी स्किल्स पे ज़्यादा नहीं, एक स्किल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो और फिर उसके ऊपर जाओ तो फिर आपका हो जाएगा. That's a simple thing I want to say.
Sir, also, what is your role as a software engineer? What work do you do at Salesforce Mumbai?
So I am currently working as a Salesforce developer there. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, how is the environment in the company? How in the Salesforce?
The environment is quite good. Like there are like many more challenges. There are learning के लिए काफी कुछ है. Like मजा आता है.
You can ask this question to Ajinkya Das also. He is also working in Salesforce.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Hand over to kindly Pooja.
Okay, thank you, Shishir. So I would like to ask a question to Dipti ma'am. Good evening, Dipti ma'am.
Dipti is not presenter. She was there earlier in the participant list. Okay, we have other participants. Ramendra also wants to
yes,
speak
ma'am.
about his new venture. He just messaged me.
Okay, ma'am. Ramendra sir.
Yes.
Good evening,
First,
sir. Oh, yes.
is my voice
You may
audible?
continue, sir. You may
Yes,
continue,
sir,
sir.
you're
Your
audible.
voice is audible.
Okay. I would first like to answer any queries if you have. Then I can move forward.
So we just had a question to ask you. As we know that most of the students do not clear their interviews in their very first try. So, sir, would you share your opinion on how to handle failures in such experiences?
Okay. Failures, how to handle them. Basically, what failure, the person or an individual who has faced the failure is the ultimate winner. That is my opinion regarding all the failures that I faced, that I have learned through, because failures taught us many things. And these are the things which are the steps, these are the stairs to the success. If someone never fails, he always says that okay, I'm getting this, I'm getting that. He's an exception, but the person who gets the failure, he learns from it. He builds a staircase for himself and climbs the ladder of success. So basically, that is what my point is: how to handle failures. And you have asked one question to Ankit regarding the particular language or the skills that
Yes.
you
Yes,
need
sir.
to focus. Like there are many things that you have been taught in college, like from A to Z. And what are the skill sets that you will be using in the IT field? What my
Yes, sir.
opinion regarding that is, as Ankit rightly said, that you need to focus and master one of the skills to pursue and move forward in the IT field. It's like you have to be the master of one, not the jack of all, because then it will be an hodgepodge. You will be moving here and there, and but if you master one subject, you will be moving ahead. And for the same, I'm starting a new venture that is called Coding Avenue. It's an company started by me and my batchmate, in which we have started the uh, environment, the situation of the students, the freshers that are coming in the IT field newly, and they're facing problems cracking interviews, not able to speak up, not able to stand up in that particular environment, and that is because their base is not strong in a particular language. So what I'm
Yes.
starting, I've picked up a language that is called Python. You must have heard about that.
Yes, sir. Python.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is very much demand in the IT field. It is used in machine learning, the artificial intelligence, the data analytics, in plotting, and what else. You go to any field, you go to any company, Python is always used there. So we have picked up a language and we are working on it. We recently, tomorrow, will be having a demo class on that, so that people who are who wants to join Python, who wants to learn Python, can avail this course. And for the same, I'll be sharing the link to Monica ma'am, and you all please go through it, share it with your friends, those who want to learn Python, and please register for that course. Take a demo class and see whether what can you learn and what not. So this is what I want to say. Thank you, Monica ma'am, for this opportunity.
Thank
Also,
you.
Ravindra sir, what was your final project for fourth year?
Aggregate CGPA or the final CGPA you want to say?
No, sir. I'm asking your project.
Okay, project. It was a smart blind stick, and Monica ma'am was our supervisor. It was based on IoT, and we built a project on that. If you want more information, please contact me and avail that course.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So
Thank
they
you so
have-
much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Questions for Akash. Akash Agrawal.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. You ask it.
Yes, yes. Good evening, Akash, sir. Sir, we know the period during the exam becomes a stressful period. How would you suggest us to prepare for our exams and for interview, and also managing our timetable
Yeah, first of all, exams were not stressful for me. Yeah. So if you think like it's getting stressful for you, so actually what I do is I always prepare one list of tasks which I need to do. So like on weekend also, I create one list, and then I just go step by step, and I just take that this task is done and do this one, then the. So I used to always maintain timetable. So because of that, it was not stressful for me. And I think if you are having some stress, like you are not able to manage tasks, so you need to give priority to tasks. Then accordingly, you need to do those tasks, and you need to consider deadline also, like uh, which tasks need to be done before and which tasks need to be done later on. In this way, you can manage. So if you have any other question, you can.
Yes, sir. Sir, what important things should we add in our resume? Like, are the courses we buy have any value to it, or the or how how do we get experience with projects or with what's important for a resume?
Okay, so if you're talking about resume, first of all, let's say if you want to learn some language, let's say Python. Okay, so if you have learned Python, then you need to first go to HackerRank and then solve some problems there. So you will come to know like how problems are asked in interview. Then after that, what you can do is you can create some small projects. Any idea you can implement any idea. Let's say, for example, machine learning. So you can just go to Kaggle, get some data, then do something. Uh, Actually, the thing is, in order to crack interview, they expect is like you have done something, and some you have done some projects. It is not necessary that it should be only educational project, means project from college, but you can do your own project also. You can create some website. Uh, Actually, there are some platforms where you can deploy your code for free also.
Yes, sir. Like
So
Firebase.
like this, you can deploy some codes and can do practice, and you can show in interview that you have some knowledge, you have some practical knowledge, and even you can join some internship.
Yes,
It
sir.
will be
Thank
better for you.
you. Hand over to
Thank you so
Pooja.
much, sir. I have a question for Ajinkya Das, sir. Sir, what skills would we require to flourish as a developer in the software field?
Okay, so your question is basically that how can I start as a developer,
Developer.
right?
Yes,
Into
sir.
the IT industry. Okay, all right. So basically, see, as a developer, it looks good. The title wise, it looks good that you are into the development. Okay. And you can see many of the people are there out there who are having the title as developer. But if you ask them, what actually do you do in the into the development as your title is development? Okay. So it's a first of all, it's a myth, to be honest, that the Salesforce or any software developer who are actually only into the development. Okay, so there are different aspects of projects. Like for example, let's take an example of you developed an application. Okay, for developing an application, you need first the structure before developing the application, right? Then the designing part comes in a picture, then the architect of it, then the developer would develop it. Once the application is developed, that application needs and support as well, right? If there are any issues comes up, you need to support that, right? So all these people have an title as developer. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever you apply for any kind of role which states that software developer, please ask any of those recruiters, because most of the people as a fresher, they hire you as a software developer, but they put later on into the different kind of roles which I have mentioned into the projects. So if you wanted to be specific onto the development part, make sure that you develop that particular skill which is required for that particular job. For example, let's suppose, let me ask you something. What's your favorite topic or favorite domain? What you wanted to become as a developer?
As a developer, so I like software designing, like creative. Like I haven't decided yet. That
Oh,
was going to be my next question.
Web,
So how
sir,
to
like web
choose
developer.
what? Okay.
okay, let's take an example of web developer, right? So web developer means you are going to develop a web application, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
that, you need to first have the skills what requires for the web development, right? For example, HTML, CSS, JavaScripts are basics for all. Everything which is running on your browser is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and all
JavaScript.
other frameworks which are related to it, right? So these basic things, whatever these basic things required, you need to first skill up yourself, right? And any job which states that as a web developer, so first thing is you have to decide first to which development job you wanted to go as a developer. Skill up those, like for example, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, right? And once you are done with that, then look for the roles which not only states the title as web developer or a software developer, but which actually requires these skills, the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the framework which are required for that skill, right? Title wise, you will be always confused that what this particular guy is doing, right? It's like, for example, if your teacher's title is assistant teacher, right? It doesn't mean that he is actually teaching a subject, right? Those who are not teaching a subject can also be called as an assistant teacher. So the same thing applied in the industry as well, right? So when you are saying a developer, make sure that whatever the job description says, and along with it is aligned, it should be aligned with the title as well. So I think that will help you to understand which is the developer job, and as well as apply accordingly.
Sir,
Does that make
also,
sense?
Thank you so
sir,
much,
I
sir.
would like to know what does a developer success engineer do?
Just a
Or
minute, Shishir, just 1 minute. Make Chaitanya sir as presenter.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am, I did.
Okay. Teachers, please start your video. I request all the teachers to please start their video. Yes, please continue.
all right, can you please repeat your question once?
Yes, sir. My question was, what particular work does a developer success engineer do?
All right, that's a very good question. All right, so basically, for that, I have to give you some background about it. I work as earlier I used to work as a Salesforce developer, as Ankit is doing at the moment, right? So after that, I used to work as a Salesforce developer and developing an application on a Salesforce platform, right? 2 years back when I started my career. So I was very clear that I wanted to go into the Salesforce domain. And you may ask your teachers as well. We are the only one who started out with the Salesforce, and then it is introduced into the department, right? So we are the first one who actually took a bet on this particular domain because it's a very fresh at that time. After that, after working as a Salesforce developer, I got an opportunity directly from the Salesforce.com company, which is based out of Hyderabad. To be honest, I haven't applied there. They directly picked up from my. So basically, I write blogs and other stuff I do. So based on that other activities, they directly picked me up for an interview. Although the job description requires a 4 years plus experience, I was having only 2 years of experience at that time. Okay. So basically, what I do now as a Salesforce engineer at directly the Salesforce, it's a product based company. So now, whatever the Salesforce developers do or develop the things, right? they may encounter, it's a product, right? As a software. So whatever the issues, what they encounter, or let's suppose you are developing something on our platform, you're facing some issues, right? Your code is not working, your code is breaking, it's giving you an error. You may find out that it's a product problem. Just like in Google, right? If you face any issues, you will reach out to Google. Hey, this is what's happening with my code. I'm to deploy my Android application, right? So such scenarios comes to the picture. So those globally, so I with Hong Kong, Philippines, and APAC regions, so that I help those developers to resolve their product-related issues. Whatever they're developing on our product, so I resolve product-related issues, whatever the code-related issues what they face, and which is why it states as developer success engineer, which actually contributes to the developer success, so that developers should not face any kind of issues developing coding on our platform.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, now can we request our teachers to please interact with the alumni? Teachers also wanted to meet our alumni. Alumni also wanted to meet their teachers. So we have few teachers joined here. Yes, ma'am. Pallavi ma'am, Jayashree ma'am, Agarkar sir. Yes, yes. Yes, yes, ma'am, please.
Or Agarkar sir is going to talk.
Hello, hello, alumni.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello, students. Good afternoon, all of you. So I am very happy to see this ICT-based alumni meet. First ICT-based alumni meet to the interaction between the alumni and our student and staff. I'm very happy and I'm very eager to see you on this today's. So I request you to continue your such type of interaction to your SCTB student. You also guide them what is your problem, what are the problem faced during your study, as well as you also guide them to for the company, different types of companies, or some alumni are our project leader like that. Okay, acquire some position, higher position. They can also guide them to how to prepare their preparation for the interview. So that is my suggestion only. So continuously you can guide them. Okay. Anybody can ask me any question?
Yes. Alumni, do you have any questions for our HOD sir? Okay. So Pallavi ma'am. Okay, yes. Who was saying that?
Okay, this is Suryakant. Just I would like to say thanks to Pankaj Agarkar sir. He was my project guide for my master's degree, and he has supported very well to me. And I know like his helping nature is always helpful for all the students. Okay, I just wanted to say thanks again. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Suryakant.
Thank you, sir. Yes, Pallavi
I'm very
ma'am.
happy to see you, Suryakant, here.
Yes, Pallavi ma'am.
How many PG students are joined today?
Right now we are seeing only Suryakant sir, and others. I
Pooja
really
madam
don't
is
know
there.
them.
Pooja madam is there. Pooja madam is also PG student now.
Yes, sir.
Pooja madam, Ajita madam is also alumni.
Yes, sir. Right, sir.
Nice.
Yes,
Nice to meet you, all of you.
Yes, Pallavi ma'am.
Yeah, a very good afternoon, all. As sir rightly said, we are so happy. I don't have any words to express my happiness here by seeing you, all of you here. Wow, what a confidence, and how you are guiding our juniors. Wow, it's really impressive. Ajinkya, Manvendra, Ramendra. Seriously, we are so happy to see you again here, and I can say this is real written gift from this event. Yes, Monica ma'am, this is
Yes,
our
right,
written
ma'am.
gift actually.
Ma'am, there is
Yeah,
one
they are.
correction. Manvendra has not spoken yet. उससे बात
Yeah,
करवानी है.
ma'am, but at least they have participated here.
Yes, yes,
And
that's right.
yeah, I'm watching them in participation also, and it's very good. They are guiding our juniors and motivating the students also. And I hope all of you are doing very well. And I would like to congratulate them for their development, improvement, and success in their life. And all the best for your future also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Jayashree ma'am. Ma'am, would you
Yes,
like
good
to
afternoon,
say?
all. Yes, as everyone said, we are really happy to see you all. Ajinkya,
Ma'am, we can't see you. Yeah, we can see you now.
so Ramendra, I couldn't recognize Ramendra at all. They have become, they have grown up now. Yes, Ramendra, how are you?
I'm doing good. Just this COVID has separated us. Otherwise, we would be in college and enjoying the alumni meet physically, and everything would be more
We are
good.
also waiting. Yes, we are also waiting for that meet. Ankit Gupta,
Yes, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Manvendra, they have not switched on their camera
Yes, ma'am.
actually. Manvendra, Akash Agarwal, we couldn't see them. And Ajinkya Das,
Camera is
he
on,
is
ma'am.
always in contact with me.
Absolutely, ma'am. हम आपका कभी पीछा नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
कभी नहीं छोड़ना, हम भी नहीं चाहते. अच्छा लगता है इसको देख बातें करके एलुमिनी से मिलके.
Yes.
We are really very happy that you have grown up in your career as well. And all the best for your future. Stay home and stay safe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Wish you the same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can we
और
have
कॉलेज में कभी
Chaitanya?
कभी आया करो. पुणे में ही रहते हो ना?
कौन?
जो पुणे में है, they can come and meet us. Those who are in Pune.
Ma'am, you know what? This social distancing we need to follow according to the government rules, right? So.
Okay.
Can we have Chaitanya sir now? Chaitanya sir,
Yes, ma'am.
can you start your camera, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now visible.
Yeah. सभी को देख के अच्छा लगा. Where is Manvendra? Manvendra,
Good
Ramendra,
afternoon, sir.
Akash. Okay. Start from second year. They are all always active in every particular program. Up to this particular alumni meet. Okay. आप सभी को देख के अच्छा लगा. आप जितना प्रोग्रेस कर रहे हो, सभी कर रहे हो, अच्छा है. ठीक है. सिर्फ जो भी पर्टिकुलर एक्टिविटीज या जो भी आपके पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट्स चल रहे हैं उसके रिगार्डिंग अगर कुछ अपने स्टूडेंट को जूनियर्स को गाइडेंस देना होगा तो रिगार्डिंग दैट सेमिनार वर्कशॉप्स इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड you can do that in our particular as a alumni. Okay, so we will be very happy for that particular sessions so that we will also tell our particular that is we are studying in second year, third year, that these are our alumni and they are at that particular position. Okay, so we will happy for that particular coordination among the students, those who are studying and the alumni. Okay, और बाकी सब ठीक है. रामेंद्र,
All good, sir. All good. And
रामेंद्र ने पूरा लुक चेंज कर दिया है.
Okay, so anybody wants to speak anything? Otherwise, we will go for the audience quiz. We'll end
and
our meeting here.
and
Yes,
one
sir.
more thing, Ramendra and Manvendra and I think recent batch has not joined it. I think so. आपको farewell मिलेगा, पक्का मिलेगा. When this pandemic is over, you will get the farewell. At that time, you all have to come.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now we'll proceed to the end of the event. We are going to share a Google form as audience quiz to all the audience. And once it is shared, you will be given a time of 10 minutes. In that, whatever answers we are getting within 10 minutes, the one who has given shortest answers, all correct, that will be considered as the winner for the audience quiz, and he will be getting a small Amazon gift voucher for that. The winner will be contacted, and everybody can take part in this audience quiz round. Everybody, including the participants, teachers, the everybody whosoever is present, whosoever gets the link can go for the quiz. So I now hand over this event for the Thanksgiving to Praksha.
Thank
Yes,
you, ma'am.
Praksha. Yes.
I want to wrap this year's alumni meet by saying that you people are the building blocks of our college. We seek your blessings and prayers. We will be following your footsteps when it is our time to leave this college. We, the organizing committee, have put a lot of efforts in bringing up this event. Hope you like the preparations we have made. It was a try to make your day a bit special. Wishing you all the best. Hope you have a great day. I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Farooq Sayed sir, for not only encouraging us to host such an event, but also giving his vital time from his busy schedule to grace this alumni meet. I would also like to thank our head of department, Dr. Pankaj Agarkar sir, to take time off from his schedule and enlightening us with his knowledge. Thanking all the staff members of the department for helping us set up this event and making it a huge success. I would like to thank our alumni coordinator, Mrs. Monica Dangore ma'am, for planning and executing such events smoothly and encouraging students to participate and have fun between their busy schedules. I would also like to thank our ACE coordinator, Mrs. Pooja Shinde ma'am, for helping us in conducting this event and sharing her valuable opinions to make this event perfect. A special thanks to the newly passed out batch of 2021 for attending this event. We really appreciate your presence today. Wishing you all the best for your future endeavors. I truly appreciate and thank the students of third year and fourth year for attending this alumni meet. We hope you had fun. Last but not the least, a big thank to the organizing committee members, Praksha Das, Kaustubh Juvekar, Shishir Agrahari, and Pooja Kamble for their priceless efforts, without whom this event would not have been a cakewalk. As Monica ma'am has mentioned about the quiz, now the link will be shared in the chat.
Exactly 10 minutes will be counted once the chat link is shared. And yes, who is sharing it? Kaustubh?
Kaustubh.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
Yes. And start the timer once you share the link. Within 10 minutes, whatever replies we are getting, we'll be evaluating only those replies who are received within 10 minutes.
Shishir, could you please share it?
Wait.
Thank you.
Teachers can also.
I'll start the timer.
Yes. Yes. It's not seen yet.
Wait, ma'am.
Teachers can also play this quiz. Yes, the form is shared. The timer starts now. And we will end up here. All the participants, all the audience will take your leave now. Have a nice day. See you soon. Thank you so much. Go for the quiz now.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, everyone. Good day.
Thank you so much.
Yes, please stop the recording.
We will be connecting on LinkedIn.
Yes, sure.
Yes.
Yes. Please go for the quiz, guys. Everyone, please go for the quiz. You will enjoy it. And the winner, I will declare to all by mail. Thank you so much. Please stop the recording.